Morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. Now remember, we only have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we have 3 weeks off for Christmas vacation. I haven't gotten the official word yet if we are going back into the classroom or continuing on with distance learning. So I'm not going to say anything because it needs to come from the school and from the office and from the district, okay? But I have a feeling you guys know, I don't think we're going to be going back in January, but maybe right after that, I hope. Fingers crossed. But if we don't, then after Christmas, I'm going to be going to school and I'm going to be getting more materials for you guys for distance learning because a lot of those folders are empty. I know there's still some things in the folders, but if you guys return your folders, I'll figure it out. And in January before school, we'll have another drive-by pickup and I'll give you more materials for January and February. Okay, so I am going to back up, take a look at the calendar. It is December. Okay, December, let's spell it D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. If you look up here, boys and girls, you can see with all of our months up here, it's the very last month of the year, isn't it? When we are done with December, we will take that calendar off and start again with January. Okay, all right, let's count. We're going to start with 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, boys and girls, I started recording this earlier, and I was looking and I don't see the next number should be 15, and look, it's not there. And I'm not sure if maybe it's still at school. I brought home a whole little bag with all those calendar cutouts in there. And if you look, I can't see 15, 16, 17. I can't see any of the numbers for this week. So what I did is I wrote it on a little Post-it note, number 15. It's got a little sticky behind it. And I'll put that up here for now. If I can't find those numbers when I clean up, maybe it got put in the wrong place, then I might go back to those other ones. Or we can use the Post-its, right? Now, if we were doing the pattern, we would have, let's start here. Gingerbread, gingerbread, present. Gingerbread, gingerbread, present. Today would be a gingerbread. So would tomorrow. And then a present. So we would finish off the week with this pattern. So you'll see tomorrow. I'll surprise you. We might start a new one or we'll just continue with those Post-its. I'm hoping I can find them. Okay, let's add a straw. And I will take this. Okay, yesterday on Monday, we were at 82 days. Now we still have 8 bundles of 10 in here, so we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. But now today we have 3 in here. So that makes 81, 82, 83. And I will sneak over here in the corner and write that down on our number strip. If I can get that there. All right, so 83. I'm going to make an A first. Start with an S, but do not stop. Close up the bottom, close up the top, and then a 3. Around and around. What can it be? This is known as the number 3. Okay, we have been in kindergarten for 83 days. I'm going to move back over here and take a paper link, a chain, off of my bell. I'm just going to tear it, throw that away, and we're going to count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more days until Christmas. We can do it another way since we know there's 15 on the calendar. Okay, today's the 15th. Tomorrow will be the 16th, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then we get to the top, 25. Okay? I hope you guys are taking a paper link off of your Christmas bell every day, right? Before you go to bed at the end of the day, or if you forget, do it in the morning. Okay, let's do the day of the week. We've had Sunday and Monday. I'll turn the next one around. Tuesday spells Tuesday. Let's spell Tuesday. Terrific Tuesday. 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 We have to say twos first and then day. So if you clap that out, Tuesday, this word is 2 syllables because you have to break it up into 2 parts. You can't say it all at once. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We've had 3 days. We have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday left. 3 plus 4 is 7. Let's sing our 7-day song. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Count them. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, good job. Let's move back over here to this big pocket chart that talks about the day of the week. And the date today is December 15th. So I went ahead and got the 15. And we'll put that here. And 2020. Let's read it again. Today is, there's our sight word, is December the 15th, 2020. Or we can say 2020. And we stop at the period. The day of the week is, let's slide it over to Tuesday. We're not going to start a new letter because I did not send home the Nat Geo second workbook, so we'll wait till we come back from vacation. So we're going to finish up all those B pages and do some fun pages too. Okay, the weather is cool. You know, I don't know. I asked a few kids, but when I got up early this morning, I took Romeo for a little walk and it had rained just a little bit in the night. I asked some people in Canyon Lake in Tuscany Hills, and they said no, it did not. But I'm in Corona, and the street was wet. Everything was wet this morning. It rained a little bit, maybe just a little, but it did. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. It was cool this morning, and it is warming up now, and the sun's coming out, and it's going to be a beautiful day. Now I do want to add another bubble gum. I have a yellow bubble gum. We're going to put it here. We're just continuing on with our T numbers. Now what we did is now we have 3 whole rows of 5. It would be like having 3 sets of tally marks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we kind of share these numbers, so I have to borrow that from up there, put it here. Here's the number in our pocket, 15. We've got 15 pieces of bubble gum in our bubble gum jar. It's almost full, isn't it? All right. Okay, we got everything done. So what I want to do now is read you a story about a gingerbread man. Actually, I read this one on the assignments yesterday on activity 4. There was a story about the gingerbread man. This is like the original story. And then I explained the project that we're going to do this week, where you're going to make your own gingerbread boy or girl and decorate it. And a few of you turned yours in yesterday, and they're just beautiful, really beautiful. I should say the girls are beautiful, the boys are handsome, right? Cute. They're all cute. Today, I picked this book because it's pretty short, so it's better to read right now, and we don't have as much time because we did the calendar. This is called The Gingerbread Boy. Now, it's going to be a little bit like the one I read you yesterday and a little bit different, okay? Because it's a different version. I need to put on my glasses before I read. One day, a little old woman decided to bake a gingerbread boy. She gave him 2 raisin eyes, a gumdrop nose, a cherry red mouth, and popped him into the oven. She put a little scarf on him. Isn't he cute? See a little zigzag here? I bet she used probably frosting, and she used candy. She decorates him. Now, she's going to put him into the oven. This is a board book. I want to make sure those pages kind of stuck together. There we go. When the baking was done, the old woman opened the oven door. Surprise! Out jumped the gingerbread boy. He came alive. And this is what he said. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Okay, he jumped out of the oven and he's going to run right out the door. Okay. Oh dear, cried the little old woman as the gingerbread boy ran out the door. "Come quick," she called to her husband. The little old woman and the little old man chased the gingerbread boy down the road. Here's the gingerbread boy running down the road. He even put his hat on, didn't he? And the little old woman and the little old man are chasing him. They have a cute little house there. Let's turn the page again. Soon the gingerbread boy came to a field where a cow was eating some grass. "Moo," said the cow. "You smell delicious. Come closer so I can take a bite." "Oh no," said the gingerbread boy. "I've run away from a little old man and a little old woman, and I can run away from you too, I can. So run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." He's telling everybody that, right? Let's see who he runs by next. And away ran the gingerbread boy. He didn't stop until he came to a yard where a cat was chasing some mice. "Meow," said the cat. "You're as sweet as a dish of cream. Come closer so I can take a bite." "Oh no," said the gingerbread boy. "I've run away from a cow and a little old woman and a little old man, and I can run away from you too, I can." Look at how he puts his hands on his hips like that. And now he's going to say, "Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." And away went the gingerbread boy until he came to a river. "I don't know how to swim," said the gingerbread boy. "I do," said a fox who peeped out from behind the bushes. "I'll take you across the river." "Oh no," said the gingerbread boy. "You just want to eat me." "Sit on my tail," said the fox. "I won't be able to reach you there." Ooh, I think that fox is trying to trick him, huh? Let's see what happens next. So the gingerbread boy hopped onto the fox's tail, and the fox slid into the water. "I'm getting wet," said the gingerbread boy. "Oh, sit on my back," said the fox. Soon the water was so deep that the gingerbread boy began to worry that he would be a very soggy cookie indeed. "Sit on top of my head," said the fox. And without thinking, the gingerbread boy did. He's moving from the tail, and he doesn't want to get wet. Then he climbs up on his back. He still doesn't want to get wet. So he's going to go to the top of his head because it's nice and dry up there. What do you guys think? You think that was a good decision? Now, if you think the fox wasn't trying to trick the gingerbread boy, then you're as silly a cookie as he was. As soon as the fox reached the other side of the river, he tossed the gingerbread boy into the air, caught him in his mouth, and gobbled him up. And that was the end of the gingerbread boy. What's the fox doing? He's licking his lips like this. That was delicious gingerbread boy, huh? And that is the end. So these two stories were a little bit alike. Did they both have a little old woman and a little old man? Yeah, but the animals were a little different. Was there a fox at the end? Yeah, the fox ate the gingerbread man, and the fox ate the gingerbread man here too. We're going to listen to a few other stories, and we'll see what makes them the same and different. Bye-bye.